Notional approaches to the understanding of jurisprudence. Law shapes every corner of our world, from the courtrooms to the streets, from contracts to civil rights. But what if I told you that beneath all these laws lies a powerful, ever changing force? This force is bigger than law itself. It's called jurisprudence. But what exactly is jurisprudence and why should it matter to you? Whether you're a law student, a legal professional, or simply curious about how the law governs our lives. Stay tuned because in this video, we'll break down the mysteries behind jurisprudence, the big ocean that engulfs all laws. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of jurisprudence. Today, we are exploring fundamental question. What is jurisprudence and why does it matter? If you've ever found yourself confused by the complex legal theories or struggled to understand the deeper meaning behind laws, this video is for you. In this episode, we'll tackle the evolving nature of jurisprudence, uncover why it's seen as the very foundation of all legal systems, and show you how these theoretical concepts directly impact everyday legal practice. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of not just what jurisprudence is, but why it's vital for anyone engaging with the law. The ever expanding nature of jurisprudence. Jurisprudence has often been described as a great ocean, one that continues to expand as new legal concepts emerge. Imagine each branch of law: criminal law, tort, contracts, as rivers, all flowing into this massive ocean of legal thought. As legal issues become more complex, the boundaries of jurisprudence expand, covering new areas of inquiry and thought. Scholars like theirs even suggest that instead of asking what is jurisprudence, we should focus on understanding the various forms it takes as it evolves. This dynamic nature makes jurisprudence a subject that is not just about studying existing laws, but also about questioning and shaping the very foundation of what law could and should be. Two, jurisprudence as the foundation of all law. Here is where it gets even more interesting. Jurisprudence is not just one branch of law, it is the foundation of all law. Think of it as the baseline that holds everything else up. It's the big L in law, while other laws are the small l. This is why studying jurisprudence is critical for understanding the propositions and principles that shape legal systems. Picture this: the very roots of law and the functioning of legislative bodies, courts, and legal advisors are tied back to jurisprudence. As lawmakers and judges interpret laws, they are guided by the theoretical framework laid out in jurisprudence. This makes it indispensable, not just in academia, but in real world legal practice. Three, practical examples of jurisprudence in action. Let's break this down with an example. Imagine a judge deciding a controversial case on privacy rights in digital age. To make this decision, the judge isn't just relying on statutes and precedents, but also on the underlying jurisprudence that explores the balance between individual freedoms and state control. This is the power of jurisprudence, shaping how laws are interpreted and applied in ways that impact society. This is why Jerome Hall, a prominent legal scholar, emphasized that jurisprudence is not just about understanding existing laws, but about providing guidance on how laws should evolve to meet the changing needs of society. Why you should care about jurisprudence. Why does this matter to you? Whether you're a student, a legal professional, or just someone curious about the law, understanding jurisprudence equips you to think critically about legal systems and their impact on society. It gives you the tools to ask the big questions. Why do we have laws? How should laws change over time? What is the relationship between law and morality? Jurisprudence helps answer these questions and gives legal professionals a framework to shape better laws. As you can see, jurisprudence is more than just legal theory. It's the bedrock upon which all laws are built. By understanding it, you're not just learning about the law, you're gaining insights into how societies are shaped and how justice is pursued. For instance, imagine you're dealing with a case on the presumption of innocence. On the surface, it seems straightforward, but jurisprudence asks deeper questions. What are the moral and philosophical justification for presuming someone innocent until proven guilty? This kind of questioning is vital for any law student looking to develop strong legal reasoning skills. There are multiple ways to view jurisprudence. Some see it as the grammar of law, as Kayode puts it, providing structure and meaning to legal concepts. Others, like Jerome Hall, make a distinction between jurisprudence and legal theory. He believes jurisprudence deals with the broader conception of law, while legal theory focuses on specific principles of positive law, like murder or theft. Even though these perspectives differ, they are all part of a broader philosophical conversation that helps students understand how law fits within society, politics, and human behavior. Think of jurisprudence as the mathematical foundation for law, just as mathematics explains how physics operates. Jurisprudence helps clarify complex legal terms and theories. For example, a contract may seem like a simple agreement, but jurisprudence helps explain the deeper concepts like consent and fairness that make it binding. Over time, the scope of jurisprudence has continued to widen. Today, it encompasses everything from human rights to social order and political theory. Legal systems and societal values evolve, and jurisprudence helps legal professionals adapt by continuously questioning the role of law in an ever changing world. This expanding scope is why jurisprudence is often described as both an intellectual and idealistic abstraction, as well as a behavioristic study of society. It covers everything from the philosophy behind criminal punishment to the ethics of contract law, helping us understand how law functions, not just in the courtroom, but in everyday life. So, why should you care about jurisprudence? The answer is simple. It shapes your ability to think critically about the law. Without it, law students might only learn to follow the rules without understanding why the rules exist. Jurisprudence gives you the tools to not only apply the law, but to challenge and improve it. In essence, jurisprudence is the bridge between theoretical philosophy and practical law. It opens the door to a deeper understanding of legal systems, societal values, and the ever changing dynamics between law and justice. If you're studying law, or just interested in how legal systems work, jurisprudence is essential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nigerian Law Simplified. Join us as we explore more topics that break down the complexities of law and help you become more informed legal thinker. See you in the next video. Bye.